Power-TEC Mobi-Lift, great in any workshop. Lift a vehicle to a convenient height safely and quickly. No effort is required. Position the Mobi-Lift and lift the lever. For a quick estimate or even a wheel change, there is no easier way to lift a car quickly to gain access. It speeds up strip and refit and general repairs. If you lift a front-engine car on the back wheel, the rear of the car is lifted, giving terrific access. Low sports cars are always a problem. Sometimes you can't even get a trolley jack under them. This is no problem for the Mobi-Lift. It will lift any vehicle from small cars to 4x4s and light commercials. With the Mobi-Lift, there is no need to wait for a workshop lift to be available. With two Mobi-Lifts, you can easily lift the front, giving access under the bumper panel and also letting you work on the sills and lower doors. The Power-TEC Mobi-Lift operates from single-phase electrics. It will lift a vehicle in seconds in complete safety. There is no hydraulic system to fail. It has a 1 meter lift height and will lift vehicles up to 2,500 kilograms in weight. You will find it indispensable in any vehicle workshop.